In this tutorial, we'll be drawing a whiteboard marker. So we started this drawing with a cylinder. Then on top, I'm going to add a polygon with 8 sides. Then I can extrude it in 3-dimensional options, which is extrude. With the right proportion. Then of course I can add a fillet, which should be fillet edge. And I can keep changing the radius by typing R and setting it as maybe 2. Yeah, that seems fine. And then I can go ahead and cut in at the bottom. Remember, there is this thin plastic plate. How should I say? There is a boring from the bottom side. So I will cut in by drawing a cylinder and using a subtract. Something of about that, about maybe like 7. Then I can go in about, let me see, by rotating this about this much. Then it's like there is a big large cylinder and small cylinder that's embedded in. I can do subtract that minus the little thing. No, not this. Okay, how do I do this? Rotate. Subtract the large cylinder, then the and the small cylinder. Done. Then I will first of all I will create a box for my reference. So for example, something like this. Then I can create a cylinder on sideways. You will see what I am doing soon. About, okay, something that will cut about that much. top, back, front, top, right. Okay, so now I have this cylinder that is going to be moved with using a move gizmo. And I think it's going to cut because it's overlapping. Then I can do subtract from the large cylinder to the smaller one. Then now I end up having that feature. Now we need to add a button, the button at the bottom. So I turn it around, and now I can add a cylinder which is going to act as a button. Maybe override, let me see, snap override center. That should be fine. Wait, one more time. Cylinder. Okay. Now if your mouse clicking is not accurate, then you can kind of guess the radius here. I would say 5.5 and type in with a keyboard. And then I don't to align this. I can no, not this, back, to have some idea about the length. It's slightly longer than the edge of the pipe, so I can stop somewhere there. Then we basically have something that looks kind of similar now, and then we focus onto the feature on top now, which is I cut in and then create a cylinder. That's pretty much it. So I will create a I will create a cylinder. Snap override center. Not that one. Let me see. Somewhere there. Okay, maybe I can do it this way. Somewhat there. Then I will cut in maybe this much, but because I know it's not exactly at the center, I can kind of play with this by using move gizmo, but I go to top